Mira este oxido aquí. Está muy mal.
Sí, y los neumáticos están completamente planos.
All right, let's see what's under all this. Time to get it clean. Okay, let's start with like an air hose to clear the big stuff. Got it. I'll shine the light on the tricky spots.
Okay, the interior is looking better. Good.
Let's get these doors off.
Right, hand me the impact.
Okay, slowly. Take the weight. Clear the chassis. Almost there. Set it down gently. Done.
This thing is completely gummed up.
Yeah, we'll need to hit it hard with the wire brush here.
Watch the rust on that manifold, it's about to go.
Got it. Now, ready to lift this trans back in? All right, grinding's done. Looking good. Hammer that dent. Yeah, almost there. Now for the filler. Smooth it out. Good work. Keep sanding here.
Almost there. This spot is stubborn.
Let's get this corner next.
Good work there, get that patch. Looks good, smooth out the edges now. Ready for the filler? Keep it steady there.
Looking good.
Almost done with this section.
I faktiskt att vi vill hinna en artek that does Sam Delavan works back raketels like Ross or T comes right because some comes that they'll grab they head of on.
All right, hold it steady. Got it. Just a little to the left. Perfect. Now the bolts.
All right, that's tight. Looking good.
All right, time for the final buff. Looks incredible, man. Looks incredible. Oh, that leather is perfect. Almost done, just need to secure the seat belts. All right, time for the grand entrance. Oh. Looking good, boss. Let's give it a try. Perfect, we've got power. Headlights are online, and the taillights too. Success.